Hey there, digital enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ROI and digital marketing, the secret sauce to ensure your efforts don't just create a buzz, but also bring in the bucks. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. First things first, analytics are your best friend. Imagine having a compass in a dense forest. That's what analytics do for your digital strategy. Keep a close eye on your data, understand your audience, and track those conversions. It's not just numbers, it's the roadmap to success. Now let's talk about social media. It's not just about being present, it's about being strategic. Choose the platforms where your audience hangs out, create compelling content, and engage with your community. Remember, it's not about being everywhere, it's about being where it matters. The magic of paid advertising. But hold your horses, my friends. Before you splurge on ads, define your goals. Are you aiming for brand awareness, lead generation, or direct sales? Tailor your campaigns accordingly and watch your ROI soar. Creativity is the heart of digital marketing. Don't just follow trends, set them. Brainstorm with your team, think outside the box, and create content that not only grabs attention, but leaves a lasting impression. Remember, a memorable campaign is a shareable campaign. Last but not least, partnerships. Collaborate with influencers or other businesses in your niche. It's like a digital handshake that introduces your brand to a whole new audience. Choose partners wisely and watch as your ROI multiplies through these powerful connections. And there you have it, the recipe for a successful digital marketing ROI. Analytics, strategic social media, targeted advertising, creative content, and smart partnerships. Implement these, and you're not just investing in digital marketing, you're investing in your success. If you found these tips valuable, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and let's conquer the digital world together. Until next time, happy marketing!